Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields he go, laughing all the way. Merry Christmas, everyone, and welcome back to your favorite language learning YouTube channel, Lingo Cube, with me, Ina. This world is a very strange place and it has its own strange ways to celebrate Christmas. Today, I bring you some of the strangest Christmas traditions from across the globe. Stay tuned. The Christmas from the Austrians. The Austrian streets will give you more of a Halloween vibe than a Christmassy one. In Austria, they don't believe in Santa. They rather believe in the Holy Spirit of the Christ kind. They believe that good children will be rewarded by Christ, and the evil counterpart of Saint Nicholas, Krampus, punishes the mischievous children. Joyeux Noël! A stranger Christmas wish from France. In France, rather than putting up the stockings, kids keep shoes by the fireplace. They believe that Santa will bring gifts and put them in their shoes, which are kept by the fireplace. It is also believed that mischievous kids are punished by keeping rotten onions in their shoes. Slush this worm. Merry Christmas from Russia. The Russians don't have it on the 25th December as tradition. Paganism is deep-rooted in the Russian culture, so as a part of their native custom, they fast for 40 days and then celebrate Christmas on January 7. January 2100 onwards, they will marry the Christmas on January 8. Buon Natal! In Italy, it's not only the Santa that brings gifts for the children. It is the holy Christmas witch, La Befana, that also brings beautiful Christmas gifts for young children. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, then please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more interesting content.